Hello everyone, UI UX design. You have probably heard of it and listening to it. If these questions are running through your mind, like how do I even start? Do I need to be an artist? Is coding a must? And what's the actual difference between UI and UX anyway? Then you are in the right video. Watch this video till the end and hopefully all your queries will be answered. If not, then comment section तो है ही. अपने सवाल आप पूछ सकते हैं. In this video, I will discuss what is a UI UX designer, who can make a career in UI UX designing, how to start a career in UI UX designing, list of companies that hire UI UX designers, and lastly, the average salary of a UI UX designer. Before I get into it, here is some good news. You don't have to be a Picasso or a coding wizard to get into this field. So what do you need? Let's talk about it. Firstly, let's understand what UI UX designer is. Here is a question for you. Do you use WhatsApp? Yes, we all do. But have you ever wondered what makes it so addictive? Pause the video and let me know in the comment section below. Yes, it is its design. This is so simple to use and it is UI UX design. UI is how any app looks, its buttons, icons and colors. UX is how easy and smooth it is to use the app. For example, here we have Internshala website. Now if you scroll down, you will realize that from the color theme to the shape of the boxes, everything is designed by the UI team so that it looks good and makes the user want to stay on the page. And how easy it is to apply to internships and jobs through this homepage, where opportunities are displayed as per your preferences, whether you are looking for big brand or work from home options. This way, you don't have to go to the search bar to look for different categories. That is UX or user experience is all about. Can you think of more such platforms, apps you use that give good user experience? Please mention them in the comment section. Some names in my mind are Instagram, Zomato. So, who can make a career in UI UX designing? UI UX designing is a creative field. So, if you are someone who knows front-end web development tools like HTML and CSS, has a keen eye for visual design and attention to detail, and knows UI UX design tools like Figma, Photoshop, Sketch, etc., then this career is for you. But what if you don't have any of these skills and want to start a career in UI UX designing? तो क्या मतलब UI UX design के field join नहीं कर पाओगे? Well, worry not, as you can join Internshala's UI UX designing placement guarantee course, where you will learn new skills through live and on-demand sessions and industry-level projects. And skills के साथ साथ you will receive placement assistance through soft skills training, cover letter and resume preparation, and mock interview practice. You will also get guaranteed placement with an assured stipend of rupees 35,000. So you can say bye to your placement ki tension. How to start career as a UI UX designer? Now let's discuss the steps you need to follow to begin your career as a UI UX designer. First thing first, you need to learn the basics: HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and a bit of JavaScript. And these are like building blocks of web design. HTML structures your content, CSS makes it look good, Bootstrap ensures your design works well on any device, and JavaScript adds interactivity, like making buttons clickable or adding smooth animations. Why coding is required? Knowing the basic of coding languages like HTML, CSS or JavaScript can help you talk and work better with developers. This makes projects go more smoothly. After understanding these concepts, you will be ready to create prototypes. Now you may ask, what is a prototype? It is a draft that you create before the final product. In simple words, a prototype lets you see and test how your design works before it's fully developed. For example, if you're designing an app, the prototype will let you test its functions like usability, design lapses, functionality, etc. Moreover, it's a great way to save time, energy and money by catching issues early on. After getting comfortable with prototyping, you will need to learn how to use UI UX tools like Figma and Sketch. They will let you create visually appealing designs and collaborate with other departments in real time. For example, if you are designing a website, then content creators, software developers and designers can collaborate through tools like Figma or Sketch, so that all new designs created can instantly be shared with other professionals. Now that you know how to design a web page or an application, let's talk about a skill that a lot of people overlook. It's UI UX writing skills. Good design isn't about how things look, it's about how they communicate with the user. UI UX designing is all about creating text that's clear, engaging, and easy to understand. This makes application or web page easy to use and gives the user a better experience. अब स्किल तो गेन कर ली, बट इनको प्रैक्टिस करना भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Plus, you also need to showcase these skills to the employer. Well, you can do both of these by creating projects. You can create sample websites like portfolio, shopping websites, etc. Product designs like menu design and email templates, price lists, and design samples using design tools like Figma, Adobe, Miro, etc. Now you are ready. Then you can apply for internships and entry-level jobs to gain practical experience. For that, you can use Internshala's internship or job portal. On Internshala, you can browse through thousands of internship and job opportunities specifically for UI UX designers. Well, now that you know the roadmap of becoming a UI UX designer, here on the screen is the list of top companies that offer jobs in this field. Amazon, Flipkart, Google, Zomato, Accenture, TCS, and Deloitte. Also on the screen, have a look at the average salary package of UI UX designers. Entry-level UI UX designers, 5 LPA. Mid-level UI UX designer, 12 LPA. Experienced UI UX designer, 20 LPA. And with that, I've reached the end of the video. I hope that by now you have a clear idea of how to become a UI UX designer. Also, don't forget to share and comment your queries below. See you next time, and until then, happy learning.